What's going on, YouTubers? It is Friday morning. You know what that means. The last of the dividends have dropped in this morning. We're going to take a look and give you an update on my portfolio. The weekly cash flow is stacking up, even with the market going down. So, QQQY, this one came in at 54% distribution, giving us $6. I know Yahoo says a penny, but it's off a little bit. But it does have almost every, well, it does have every single dividend in. It got caught up, which is good. QDTY came in at 40% distribution, giving us $2.22. QDTY came in at 35% distribution, 62 cents. For some more cash flow, WDTE, this one came in at 46% distribution, giving us $5 and some change. XDTE came in at 36% distribution, giving us $2 and a little over a quarter. SDTY came in at 35% distribution, adding 64 cents to the pile of pennies. IWMY came in at 62% distribution, $6.42 added. RDTE, this one came in at 46% distribution, giving us another $2.62. RDTY, this is the new one. First distribution for RDTY. They came in at 33% distribution, giving us 32 cents. YBTC, Bitcoin one. This one came in at 70%. Pretty good. Bitcoin been struggling, but everybody thinks it's the future. I don't own any Bitcoin. I own a lot of stocks that play with the Bitcoin. YieldMax came in at 55% distribution, $3.67. YMAG came in at 28% distribution, giving us almost $2. Let's effing go, 63% distribution, $4 and a quarter. GPTY, this one came in at 33% distribution, giving us $1.32. NVW was our lowest performer for the week, 26% distribution. That gave us 40 cents. Look, Yahoo got them all in there. Last week they weren't in there. TSW, 41% distribution, giving us almost 50 cents. AAPW, 28% distribution, giving us almost a quarter. COIW came in top performer, 97% distribution. That's huge, giving us 57 cents. I only own one of them. I'll buy more one day. PLTW, 81% distribution, outstanding, giving us almost $1. And last but not least, ULTY came in at 76% distribution, giving us almost $50. So we cleared almost a hundo this week. I know I was previously snowballing back the money into the top performer, but since the stock market is on sale, some people say crashing, some people blame tariffs, I blame corporate greed. Nothing's built or made in America, and those bigwigs, they want those multi-million-dollar bonuses, so you're going to eat the cost. I'm going to eat the cost when we go shopping. So with that said, I did buy 2 more shares of IWMY this morning, working on our dollar cost average. Let's take a look at the distributions. So for the Nasdaq 100, Defiance crushed it again. They took the week again at 54%. The other two nowhere near the 50s. Defiance for S&P 500. Top performer again compared to Roundhill and YieldMax. And last but not least, the Russell 2000. Defiance crushed the competition, blowing away Roundhill and YieldMax. Like I said, our lowest performer, NVW. NVIDIA's getting no love this year. No love at all. Coinbase, the COWI from Roundhill, crushed it. 97% distribution. So my math, I'd pull it with closing the day prior when they announced the distributions, and I just do a quick math on it. So these numbers are all what I have when I complete them the morning of. If you look at some of the announcements from YieldMax, some of their distribution rates are a little bit higher than what I'm calculating. Who's wrong? Probably not me. It's not my company, but it's keeping me entertained. So the portfolio, we have $11,315 invested in the portfolio. We averaged 43% distribution rate this week. Not too bad. Let's see what next week brings us.